Standardizing a circular economy involves establishing guidelines, metrics, and policies to enable consistent adoption across various stakeholders. Here's a concise approach. Consensus on definitions. Develop clear, universally accepted definitions for key terms to ensure a common understanding across sectors. Development of standards. Collaborate with international organizations like ISO to create adaptable standards for industries such as electronics and textiles, covering life cycle assessments and waste management. Metrics and indicators. Establish performance metrics like recycling rates and resource use intensity. Standardize life cycle analysis methodologies to assess environmental impacts. Certification and labeling. Introduce certification programs that validate compliance with circular standards. Implement eco-labels to inform consumers about the sustainability features of products. Regulatory frameworks. Enact supportive policies like extended producer responsibility, EPR, and incentives for using recycled materials. Harmonize these regulations internationally to encourage global adoption. Data sharing and transparency. Use technologies like blockchain for data sharing about product origins and end-of-life options, enhancing transparency and traceability. Education and training. Integrate circular economy principles into educational systems and provide specialized training for professionals to implement these practices effectively. Collaborative platforms. Establish platforms for collaboration among businesses, policymakers, and academia to facilitate knowledge exchange and innovation. Continuous improvement and feedback. Regularly update standards to incorporate new technologies and scientific knowledge. Use feedback from practitioners to refine standards. Global cooperation. Engage in international dialogues to align standards globally, ensuring universal applicability and effectiveness. This structured approach will help develop a robust framework